and they just cut steaks across it this way. But one of the trends that's been going on, and the reason I wanted to do this, is the animals are getting so big that to get a decent steak, like a thickness, you're giving them 1.5 pounds of meat, which is crazy, because nobody should be eating 1.5 pounds of meat. And so some chefs have started getting creative, and they take a New York strip, which is well marbled, cut it in half, and makes it look like fillets. Then you have a nice thick cut. Marbling, it's not as lean as a filet, so the flavor is actually better. And it looks like a filet. And so it's called a Manhattan cut. And so people are starting to do that, and I thought it'd be really cool. See, and that's the other thing on New York, is that there's that silver skin. And all of this, actually, they still use in trim for ground and things like that. But see, you see how nice, fine marbled that is. We have 5 inches. A lot of fat in between.
Yeah.
Beautiful steak. Dry the surfaces on it, and also it'll bind some of the moisture in it. So tomorrow, when we C-Vap it, moisture won't come to the surface.